Yes.
Okay, I will teach you a new story about a thirsting crow. What is that? About a thirsting crow. Okay, do you like a crow? Black crow, right? Black crow, flying like a crow. Okay, so there was a crow, very clever crow. Okay, very clever crow. There was a very clever crow in the forest. Okay, and that crow came to a city, a field. Okay, feeling thirsty. That crow was feeling so thirsty, searching for a little water to drink. Little water to drink. Okay, then that crow felt very thirsty and went and sat on a tree, and he found there was a small pot. Okay, small pot and little water in that. Okay, there was a small pot and little water. That clever crow, what he did? That clever crow went and put a stone in that pot. Put a stone in that pot. That water came up, and that crow started to drink sufficient water. Okay, the thirsty crow drank a lot of water from that pot. When the crow kept a stone in that pot, the water came up, and the crow started to drink a sufficient water. So the lesson of the story is there is for every difficulty we can win. From every difficulty there is a solution. Okay, for every difficulty